My name's Nathan and I'm a project manager at Zanetto Civil. I've been with the company 18 months now. The owner is Paul Zanetto. He started the company over 25 years ago and started out working on small private jobs. We then grew the company into a company that works on public authority and private jobs, but of much larger scale. We work on a variety of projects: roads, subdivisions, pipe works, pump stations. We also do some unique stuff: directional drilling, pipe cracking, pipe bursting and vac truck work. So it's a good variety. Growing up, the family business always was about, and being around construction sites, it was always interesting. Combining that with my enjoyment for engineering, it was always a good fit. The relationship with DLM started over 10 years ago when we first purchased a 20-tonner off them. It's grown since then and it's been really good. They're always quick to respond, helpful with servicing, asset purchasing, ideas and advice, and asset planning. Kobelco and DLM have helped us grow our business to where we are today, and we look forward to building a relationship for the future. The SK380 is always impressive. Speed, power, fuel efficiency, its productivity all round is really great. Feedback from the operator is that it's nice and spacious, comfortable, it's well balanced. We also really like the geoscan aspect, being able to monitor fuel, servicing, hours, types of digging, and all of that's really good. Yeah, DLM are always quick to respond and are helpful. Every time we give them a buzz, they're out here same day or next day and get the job done, and that helps us continue progressing our projects and delivering for our clients.
Dave Morrison, started DLM Machinery with my wife back in 2000. We took on the Kobelco product, and back then it had a different name, but we changed the name to DLM Machinery in about 2012. We've moved forward ever since. Began with a phone call from Paul Zanetto to offer him a price on a new machine, and we went down that path, and yeah, we made sure, like we do with any other customer, we look after them the best we can, and we've proceeded to continue that relationship. The SK380XD has been a really good machine for Kobelco throughout Australia. Tasmania, we've sold this size machine quite well. Customers really like the power, the performance, the fuel economy. The strength of the build on the machine, the strength and support around the track frame, the boom and arm, the operator comfort in the cab, and yeah, the SK380XD has been a really good machine for us all.